How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and as you can see, here's Kevin. Hi, Kevin.
What's up? Want to check out the truck?
Yeah. Kevin's dad got a brand new truck, so I'm gonna go look at that real quick. But how did the rock lights do last night?
Amazing.
Did they?
Yeah.
That's awesome. So if you haven't seen that video, guys, tag will be popping up right now. We put rock lights on the K10. They look absolutely phenomenal. The white looks good, but that turquoise blue is what makes this truck pop. So right now we're gonna go pick up another buddy. I do want to say a quick thing. Rip Hunter. No, he's not dying. No, he's not injured, but he did get engaged. So rip to him. I'm just kidding. Congratulations, Hunter. Congratulations, Ivy. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, happy life, and I cannot wait for the wedding because it's good to be lit. That's all I gotta say. Explain yourself. How could you cheat on me like that, you're a-hole?
Gosh dang you!
I already said in the video, I said rip Hunter. He's not dead or dying. He just got engaged, so rip Hunter. I can see his smug look in the mirror. To be fair, I'm gonna be fair for just 1 second. Hunter's truck is faster than mine. He's got a newer motor, 5.3, about 100 more horsepower than mine has. But at the same time, he's got no AC. I got AC. We're comfortably chilling in my truck. So, you know, most guys on the weekends go out to parties and clubs or something like that. No, not us. We're sitting out here at a dealership drooling over new trucks.
Look at the shocks.
I love the ZR2s. That Bison looks sweet. It's got the Duramax in it.
Is it unlocked? Oh, yes. Oh my God.
Is it? Oh, there you go, William. I think I found the new tow pig for Trucks and Water. A Silverado 5500 HD with the L5P Duramax in it. Full-wheel drive crew cab. Good God almighty. It's already got the flatbed attached to it. So that way we can just immediately start pulling women with it. I mean, trucks with it. I mean, yeah. Look how easy it would be to install rock lights, Kevin. Oh, no. Look at this. It's like all kinds of room. Hunter's found himself a single cab. I whip it.
Yeah, but you're getting a lot of trucks.
You're getting a lot of truck. We were outside. Then it started raining. Then we were gonna go to the dog dealership. Then it started raining, so we're getting smoothies. All right, 1 Caribbean Way medium, please. And 1 chocolate Hulk small, please.
Okay, anything else?
That'd be all.
Get the window.
Thank you. The next weekend after the last video scenes you have seen. So right now we have a truck in the garage. I've got a bunch of shocks I'm gonna put back on the truck, steering stabilizer, new rough country shocks. And then I got a new starter for the truck because my old starter on this truck is starting to go bad. So we're gonna put a new one on it, and that way we can, that way I have a better starting. I've been having a little bit of a starting issue. So that's what's kind of going on. So we're gonna yank this out, get started on this, and see where the process goes from there. The original starter came out of the truck. It looks like it's the original starter. I'm guessing. I'm not 100% sure. Even though I did my motor swap, I guess they deemed this as a good original parts. They reused it on the truck. Of course, all the rest of the truck, all that stuff on there is new, but I guess the starter was still good. But I think this thing's pretty much toast. I mean, this thing is pretty much shot. So I'm gonna put the new one on and see what it goes from there. Okay, hold on. Do it again. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah, so boom! Holy crap! Now, that starts
Yeah.
that, guys, is how you change a starter. That sounds so much better. Oh my God. That sounded really good.
Yeah.
That sounded no grinding, no nothing, so that's good. I didn't have to use the shims. my next set of wheels and tires I'm gonna get too. I'm gonna get a fifth one so I can put it in the bed as a spare.
Yeah,
Dang, that is butter.
a whole lot better.
Yeah. All right, on to the next one.
There's one. 3 more to go.
Oh, the fun joys of working on an older truck, guys, let me tell you.
Sorry, Ashley.
It's probably like, what the hell?
This one might be the hardest one. After we said it was going to be the easiest one.
Yeah. Give you a comparison. These are my old front comps, they were shot. I mean, just the housing alone got an extra probably about 2 or 3 inches. Diameter-wise on the actual shaft, you're probably looking at, yeah, a little bit bigger diameter-wise. It's going to be a whole lot better riding truck once we're done with this. Also, note to self, do not air ratchet these on. Whoever, I forgot who put these on for me when I did my leveling kit. Air ratchet them and nearly snapped them. So don't air ratchet them on. Okay, hold on. There we go. Perfect. Boom. Then we just gotta cut that loose.
Yep.
Oh shit. There you go. You're
I
good.
saw that come toward
You're
me.
good.
Oh,
Pick
man.
up on that rear like you did before on the other side, Kevin. Oh yeah. That's 10 times better.
Yeah.
You know those DIY channels on YouTube that they skip like 10 steps? And they just show the finished product and they're like, oh, you can do this.
Yeah.
And it turns out nobody can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just loosen a few bolts and nuts and it's done.
Yeah. That's what
Simple.
Yeah. That's what we can do. So, Kevin, what should you make sure you do when putting on your front shocks?
Pay attention to how your old ones come off and make sure they
There
match
you
up
go.
with the new ones.
Here you go, guys. Alright, Josh, what hour is it? I don't even want to talk about it at this point. Ashley's being moody and I'm not enjoying it. Kevin looks like he's having fun.
Very uncomfortable right now.
Yeah. They're 2 to 3 inch shots.
Oh my god.
Just get it up in there. So that one time I did, never mind, I can't do that for Nathan. You got an update?
Watch your eyes.
This is bullcrap. That's a good update. So what do you think, dented the shock? No idea. Well, boys and girls, we got the shocks on. Might do a steering stabilizer. I'm gonna go out and drive it and test to see if I need to do the steering stabilizer or not. I don't think I need to, but we'll find out. But right now we're gonna clean up and get ready to go. We're gonna go out tonight, so I'll catch you all later. So we got Kevin here. We're waiting on it to get dark to do some photo shoots in front of the big Neyland Stadium sign at Neyland Stadium down here in downtown Knoxville. Drove the truck around with the new shocks on it. Absolutely freaking love them. These shocks are I highly recommend them for the K1500 series. They're the Rough Country N3. They're a huge shock, 10 valve adjust, or they're not adjustable, they have 10 valves in them for self-adjusting when you're driving down the road. The fronts are 2.5 to 3.5 inch level lift. The rears I've got on are 2 to 6 inch. Amazing ride quality, really stiffened this truck back up. The Pro Comps, guys, you can ask Kevin, the Pro Comps were just trashed. I mean, they were done, absolutely gone. I mean, there was no shock left in them. So I'm really glad I put through these on, especially for next weekend when we head down to this Southeastern Truck Nationals, is what it's called. I keep getting tongue-tied. But highly recommend him. He's running the N2 on his K10. He's going to upgrade the N3s very soon. So video coming on that shortly. Already has the N3 stabilizer on it. I've got, I think, the N2, the N3 stabilizer on mine, which is not bad, so I'm going to keep that. I have a new one, but I'm going to save that to when that one goes bad. But like I say, we're waiting for the sun to go down and get some pictures and stuff like that with the rock lights on. He's got his on, I've got mine on, so we're just going to wait till the sun goes down, then we should be good. I didn't really really do much for the 4th of July, honestly. Me and Kevin just got ready for next weekend. But today is currently Sunday, July 5th, and I'm at Fox Toyota. I've been here in a bunch of videos, if you might know. And the reason why I'm here is because I want to kind of go over something with you all. As you all know, hopefully in 2020 or 2021, I'll be buying a new daily driver / tow rig for this truck. That truck weighs about 6,200 pounds. Not exactly a lightweight truck. And plus, I need a trailer to haul that with. So drop any comments down below of any ball hitch. I know what fifth wheel I want for it, but a ball hitch trailer that can handle this truck that's lightweight. The reason why I say that is I've been really thinking about possibly building a Tundra. I've always loved the look of these trucks, especially lifted with wide wheels and tires. These things look so daggum aggressive. I love the way they look. But they only tow a max, I think, 10.5 to 11. So, and that truck with the trailer will be pushing that much weight. I want to go with a newer body style, like this white one down here. I like the grills, the front ends on this truck better. It looks like someone tried to plastic dip the emblems, and yeah, it didn't turn out too good. Yeah, not the best plastic dipping I've seen in my life, but you know, it works. But something like that model, maybe a gray, but you only really can go with, in my opinion, black wheels on these dark grays look really good. But the white and the black, you can do a lot of stuff to them. Like this white one, but I think this is the older front end style, though I don't think it's the front end style that I like. No, it is the correct front end style. But man, they want an arm and fortune for these daggum Tundras, but they're good trucks. Their motors are freaking stout as no tomorrow too. This one's got stars, I mean rock stars on it. XP edition. Not sure what the significance of that is. I don't know my Tundra as well as I do my Silverados and stuff, so be easy on me in the comments, guys. That's kind of where I'm at. I don't know. I'm still leaning more towards a diesel. I don't know. But I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you like the video, leave a like. New to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks From Water family, constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.